All right. Turkey, Syria, earthquakes found. We will be donating. I will donate later when I get my main credit card information. Or for the Turkey people out there, I'll be donating $8,000, okay? $8,000. Wait, I don't have that much money in my bank account right now. Yes. I will be donating $8,000, y'all. I will be donating $8,000, okay? Next contact details. I'm sorry.
What's the matter with bad days?
All of y'all.
Okay, let me feel it.
I love Turkey.
In some ways you gotta break your heart to heal
And Syria. Peace.
And I know I'm gonna feel
Yeah?
this
Peace and
way
love.
again.
Hey, man.